Fortnite. Here's how to get a bird call emote. In Fortnite, players have the chance to get the bird call emote for free while playing it, but there's a catch, as players have to purchase and redeem V-Bucks within a certain time limit. However, it is a temporary offer, so gamers are required to make sure that they know the exact date so they can participate before it expires. The bird call emote hasn't been introduced in the in-game shop yet, but those who aren't capable of claiming this offer will only be able to get the bird call emote once it returns to Fortnite through the item shop. In this case, they will have to spend V-Bucks in order to get it. GadInsider's got you covered that will tell players what they require to know so they can make sure they don't miss out on this opportunity. Epic Games is set to reward players who make V-Bucks purchases in Fortnite with a freebie, the bird call emote. If you want to be eligible to receive the bird call emote for free in Fortnite, purchase V-Bucks digitally or redeem a physical V-Bucks card between October 2nd and October 31. Players who purchase V-Bucks digitally through their preferred platforms during this time are set to be able to claim the bird call emote after making the purchase. Meanwhile, gamers who have or are planning to purchase a physical V-Bucks card must redeem it between the event's start and end date to get the bird call emote. Gamers must include V-Bucks to their account during a specific time limit if they'd like to receive the bird call emote. It's set to be offered between October 2nd and October 31st, but the exact period of time depends on the player's region. To get the bird call emote, here's when gamers have to add V-Bucks to their Fortnite account. Pacific time, October 1st at 5 p.m. till October 31st at 5 p.m. Eastern time, October 1st at 8 p.m. to October 31st at 8 p.m. Coordinated Universal Time, October 2nd at 12 a.m. to November 1st at 12 a.m. British Summer Time, October 2nd at 1 a.m. to November 1st at 1 a.m. Central European Time, October 2nd at 2 a.m. to November 1st at 2 a.m. Japan Standard Time, October 2nd at 9 a.m. to November 1st at 9 a.m. Australian Eastern Time, October 2nd at 10 a.m. to November 1st at 10 a.m. New Zealand Daylight Time, October 2nd at 12 p.m. to November 1st at 12 p.m.